Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on DOOGEE DK10. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and here click agree and continue. Now close this ad and here click allow and click consent. Now you can click this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.